You have not missed your window in Etsy. It's not too saturated, it's not too competitive, and it's not too late. I've been watching what's selling right now in 2026, and the digital products making steady money are the ones nobody's talking about. They're not aesthetic, they're not viral, they're boring, and that's exactly why they work. I'm Lucretia, a homeschooling stay-at-home mom and a top 2% Etsy seller, and I'm about to show you 5 digital products you could start creating this week. No design skills needed. Starting with product number 1, ADHD Cleaning Planner. So this listing is a bestseller, and when I pull it up in Everbee, it showed 245 sales last month with an estimated revenue of $3,900. And this listing is only 3 months old. But the numbers I really want you to look at are these keyword scores. So Master Cleaning List has a keyword score of 220, 30-day declutter is 140, deep clean checklist is also 140. And you may have noticed I skipped over this top tag right here that has a keyword score of over 69,000. And that's because the seller didn't intentionally misspell this. So you can see it's missing the R at the end of planner. What happened is they simply ran out of characters. Etsy only gives you so many characters to add to your tag, and ADHD Cleaning Planner was over that character limit. And this is actually one of the most common questions I get inside of the Sales Sprint Accelerator community. Should I misspell my tags on purpose to get found? And the answer is no. Etsy actually addressed this directly in their seller handbook. They said, don't include misspells in your tags because they already redirect shoppers to the correct results when someone makes a common mistake. So you want to make sure you use all 13 tags. You want to make them as different as possible, and you want to focus on keyword scores that have this high right next to it, like the examples I've shown you, because that high score tells you 2 things. People are actively searching for this, and there aren't many sellers competing for this search term. As a new seller, this is your sweet spot. This is how you get found without having to fight your way past the thousands of shops who have been on Etsy for years. Now let's look at the listing photos. The very first photo tells you what's inside. So 35 pages, every type of cleaning layout you could possibly need. So there's no guessing and no wondering if it includes what you're looking for. Then there's a photo that walks you through how to edit it in Canva. It's step by step right there in the listing before you even buy. This one photo removes the biggest hesitation someone would have for buying this product. And that hesitation is, I don't know if I'll be able to figure this out. Then they show 2 versions. So they have a pre-filled option and a blank one. That's 2 completely different buyers served by the same listing. The person who wants everything already done for them and the person who wants to fill it in themselves. So you have one product with twice the reach. And then this is the part most sellers never do. There's a photo that literally says, why choose our ADHD cleaning bundle? And it has specific reasons listed out. This is insanely important. If you don't even know why someone would choose your listing over the one sitting right next to it, how in the heck is your customer supposed to know? And because neither of you know why they should choose your product, they are going to keep scrolling. I see this with struggling sellers all the time. They put up one listing photo and nothing else. No explanation of what's inside, no walkthrough, no reason to pick them. Your listing photos are your sales team. When buyers have questions and can't find the answers, they are not going to wait around. They're going to go buy from someone who provides them with those answers. Your advantage is that you do not have to be the most creative person in the room. You just have to be the most clear. Show people what they're getting. Show them how easy it is to use. Tell them why yours is the right choice. And there are tons of ADHD cleaning planner templates that you can purchase and edit right in Canva, so you don't even have to create your own from scratch. All you'll do is edit that template in Canva, use high scoring keywords in your listing, and let Etsy promote the product for you. And now let's talk about product number 2, flyer templates. So everyone starts their Etsy shop looking for that one product that's going to make them thousands of dollars a month. And I understand that's the dream. But it's also okay to have 10 products making you $100 a month. That's still an extra $1,000 a month. So you don't need a viral digital product. You don't need social media. You don't need ads. You just need simple listings bringing in consistent sales. And that's exactly where this flyer template fits in. So this listing right here is a spring break booking flyer, and it's targeted for hair, lash, nail, and makeup stylists. It's a bestseller. It's 2 months old, and Everbee estimates around $1,632 in revenue last month from 409 sales. And this listing is only $1.99. So this seller understands something really important. The buyer already needs this. They are not browsing. They're a lash tech or a hairstylist who needs to fill their books for spring break, and they needed a flyer yesterday. That's the power of a seasonal, niche-specific template. You are not selling a generic flyer. You are selling the exact template someone needs at the exact time they need it. Now, I have to point out something about one of these listing photos. There's a photo showing the flyer displayed on a phone, and the flyer doesn't even fit into the phone mockup. It's literally just a photo of the flyer placed in front of a phone. And I say this because I know exactly what some of you are doing right now. You're waiting until your listing photos are perfect. You're searching for the best mockups. You're redoing the same photo 5 times because something feels off. Meanwhile, this seller put a photo in front of a phone, called it a day, and has been making extra money with this one listing for 2 months. So get the product out there. You can always go back and improve your photos later, but you cannot make money from a listing that doesn't exist yet. And that brings us to product number 3, How Lucky Are We wall art. Now this one is crazy simple. It's a playing card design with the couple's photos and the words, "How lucky are we?" And that's literally the entire product. It's a bestseller with 218 sales last month, and Everbee estimates around $2,769 in revenue from a 3-month-old listing. But here's what really got my attention. The growth rate of this product is 700%. So it is not too late to make this. The trend is showing us people are actively looking for it. And we can solidify that idea with this conversion rate of 8%. That means out of every 100 people who land on this listing, 8 of them are going to buy. So you are selling to people who already know what they want. And this works because people are always looking for the right words. Anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays. The feeling is there, but the words aren't. You are not selling art. You're selling a feeling someone has, but they can't figure out the words to express it. And let's look at this keyword data. How Lucky Are We has 460 searches a month with a keyword score of 120. That is high demand with very manageable competition. Broad keywords like gift for boyfriend and anniversary gift for have massive search volume, but the competition is in the millions, so you'd be invisible there. But How Lucky Are We with 460 searches and only 3,800 competing listings? That's where a new seller actually has a chance to show up. And here's something this seller did that most beginners don't even think to do. They added a listing video. And before you skip past this, I need you to see what the video actually is. It's less than 15 seconds. There's no sound. It's literally just a screen recording of someone going into Canva and changing the letters on the card. All they're doing is showing buyers exactly how easy it is for them to customize this with their own initials. There's no ring light, no voiceover, no editing. Just a screen recording that answers the question, can I actually do this myself? You can make this type of video right now using something like Loom or the built-in screen recorder on a Mac. All you're going to do is record your screen, show yourself making one quick change in Canva, and then stop the recording. And it's worth doing this because Etsy tells us that listings with videos get twice as many orders as listings with just photos. Less than 28% of sellers even have a listing video, which means this one simple step alone can help you stand out. And that leads us to product number 4, LDS Holy Week Story Cards. So this one here is 10 printable cards that walk families through the events of Holy Week leading up to Easter Sunday. So we can see it's a bestseller, 2 months old, and Everbee estimates around $2,566 in revenue last month from 221 sales. Now here's what makes this product interesting from a strategy standpoint. Look at the keyword data. LDS Holy Week only has 33 searches a month with 364 competing listings. So that is a very tiny pond. And this seller is probably the biggest fish in it. So what you can do is find the small, specific community that is searching for something like this, and you become the person that shows up when they search. And AI makes this easier than ever. You can open Gemini or Claude right now and say, write a simple Holy Week story for each day leading up to Easter Sunday, written for young children. And the AI will write it for you. All you do is take the content, drop it into a clean card layout in Canva, and you have a product. And look at what this seller added to the back of each card, which I thought was super creative. It's a QR code that links to the official LDS Church YouTube channel. And I know some of you just tensed up. A QR code sounds technical, but it's actually not. You can go to a free site like QR Code Generator, paste in the YouTube link, download that code as an image, and drop it into your Canva design. That one small addition makes this product feel premium. It turns a simple card into an interactive experience, and that's why people are leaving 5-star reviews like this one saying, "This is such a cute product. We are in love with how easy it makes celebrating Holy Week." So now let's talk about how you can take this idea and run with it, because you don't have to start with LDS content. Think about other faith communities or story traditions. You could create Christmas story cards, Bible story cards for Sunday school teachers, or even fairy tale story cards based on a public domain stories like Cinderella or The Three Little Pigs, so families can read them at bedtime. The formula is the same every time. Find a community, find a story they already love and want to share with their children, package it into a simple, beautiful card set they can print at home, and then let Etsy put it in front of the people who are searching for it. This is not a complicated product, and neither is product number 5, business card templates. Every single day, someone is starting something new. A lash business, a skincare studio, a cleaning service, a photography side hustle. And one of the very first things they need is a business card. That's where you come in. This listing is a business card template for estheticians and med spa owners. It's a bestseller. It's 3 months old, and Everbee estimates around $1,950 in revenue last month from 195 sales. And here's what this seller did really well. Look at the listing photo that shows both sides of the card with the text fully editable on Canva, customized text, colors, fonts, and layout to make it yours. That one photo does a lot of the heavy lifting. The buyer doesn't have to wonder if they can change the name or the colors. They don't even have to wonder if they need design skills. It's all answered right there before they even read the description. And here's your advantage. You don't create one generic business card and hope it finds an audience. You get specific. A business card template for lash techs, one for photographers, one for real estate agents, one for personal trainers. Each card is its own listing, its own chance to get found, and its own stream of steady sales, because people are always starting something new and they are needing business cards. You could have 5 business card templates in your shop, each making $200 to $400 a month, and that alone gets you close to $1,000 to $2,000 every single month. No single product has to be a home run. You just need a lineup of simple, specific products that are quietly doing the work for you in the background. That is how you build an Etsy shop that makes money, not by going viral, but by showing up consistently for buyers who are already looking for what you're making. So now you know what to list, but knowing the product is only half of it, and probably not even that much. What you have to do next is make listing photos so good that they stop someone from scrolling past it. And if you have no idea how to do that, I show you how in phase 3 of the sales sprint. So if you want the details, the link is in the description. But if you have a shop right now that's not getting views, watch this video next. I show you how to use keywords that help you show up in search results even with a brand new shop. So click the video on your screen and I'll see you over there.